Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change your name in Zelle app. So let's get started. What you need to do first is install Zelle app and log in to your account using your phone number. And to change your Zelle's name, what you can do is go through your app settings. Then there is a guide to do it. So open your Zelle app on your mobile device and go to your Zelle preferences or your settings on your application. Then select manage payment profiles or personal information. This will lead you to another page. And in this page, you can click on update contact information or edit next to your name. And this will help you to change your display name and any other necessary information such as your email address or your location or your phone number as well. So you can confirm the changes and save them. As you can see, this is quite simple and you can do it from the app as well. I hope this video was very helpful. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys.